index. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to play the game for a little while so I can explain you better. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Here is the game. Is a Flappy Bird game. Uh, I also made this game with the HTML, CSS, and Java. So I know that better. And you can see it has also sound. Oh, it has also sound. I give this sounds in the Java. It can be amuse others. This is a sound effects folder. I have tried so many one. So ये sound effects folder है और that is the code of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. I'm going to show it to you. Wait. Okay, this is a little. You play it again until when it's open. It's AI based game. If you lost it, then the game will be over, and if you not, then the game will continue, and you can play as all you want. Here is the sound effects. You can see here I entered the sound effects. Here JavaScript code. You can check that. And last, here is the style code. The CSS. I through CSS I put these all background images so it looks very colorful and fun to play. So and that's all. I'm going to end my video here. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching.